Good morning, students. Today, in this particular lecture, I am going to discuss the question answers of Organization of Commerce and Management, that is OC, of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Once again, I repeat, we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Okay. It is the same way as we discussed in the class. I am going to tell you all the page numbers. Okay, so be ready with the textbook. First, take out chapter number 1, and that on page number 17. Okay, we are going to discuss question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. Okay, now question number 3. First one, state any two functions performed at top level management. It's on page number 5. Second one, how does management benefit the society? It's on page number 3. Third one, what is planning? It's on page number 8. What is organizing? That's also on page number 8. What is coordination? It's on page number 9. Okay, this answer in following questions in short is for 2 marks, so just write 2 or 3 lines, not more than that. Okay, sixth one, who are included in the top level management? Page number 5. Seventh one, what is the main objective of marketing management? Page number 10. Eighth one, discuss various elements of price mix. Okay, various elements of price mix, page number 11. And ninth one, discuss staffing. It's on page number 9. Okay, now question number 4, first one. Question number 4, first one, discuss the importance of management. It's on page number 2. Discuss the importance of management. Second one, explain management as a profession. Page number 4. Third one, explain functions performed by top level management. Page number 5. Fourth one, give difference between levels of management. Okay, any 5 points. Page number 7. Fifth one, discuss the importance of coordination. Page number 10. Sixth one, discuss the importance of human resource management. Page number 11. Seventh one, what are the functions of financial management? It's on page number 12. Okay, question number 5, first one, that is for 5 marks. Define management and explain its characteristics. It's on page number 2. Second one, draw a diagram of different levels of management. Also explain its functions. It's on page number 5. Okay, you have to draw the diagrams, okay, and explain their functions. Okay, there are many functions, you can explain 4 functions. Okay, third one, define coordination and explain characteristics of it. It's on page number 9. Next one, fourth one, define marketing management and explain its functions. It's on page number 10. Fifth one, define human resource management and explain its functions. It's on page number 11. Sixth one, define production management and explain its functions. It's on page number 12. Okay, that's it. So here we have done with question number 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let us see MCQ. Okay, first MCQ, art of getting work done from others is known as what? They have not given over here. They have not given the right answer. It should be management. Art of getting work done from others is known as management. Okay, second one, what type of activity is management? Universal. Third one, what is the method that puts knowledge easily into practice called? It is called as an art. Okay, fourth one, what does management association frame from its own profession? Code of conduct. Fifth one, how many levels of management are there? 3. Sixth one, who are included in the top level management? Board of directors are included in the top level management. Seventh one, what is the other name of bottom level management? Functional level. The other name of bottom level management is functional level. Which of the following is not included in any of the level of management? Accountant is not included in any of the levels of management. Ninth one, if planning is the brain of business, then what is organization? It's the physical structure, right? So here they have written only the structure, so structure. Okay. 10th one, which of the following is the function of marketing management? Okay, product mix is a function of marketing management. And 11th one, which of the following is not included in human resource management? Repairing and maintenance is not included in the human resource management. Okay. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2, try to do it by yourself. Question number 2 is for 1 mark. Okay, so if you will find this answer, because of this you will read the textbook. So find by yourself. They are really very easy. Now we go to chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 explanation is completed. Okay, so we will go with the question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. Okay, question number 3, first one, what is scientific management? It's on page number 27. Okay, what is scientific management? Page number 27. Question number 3, first one, what is scientific management? Page number 27. What does the principle of equality mean? It's on page number 25. What does the principle of equality means? Page number 25. Okay. Third one, principle of management are flexible. Suggest or explain. Page number 19. It's on page number 19. Into which 6 parts Henry Ford has divided his entrepreneur activities? Explain. It's on page number 23. Okay, it's on page number 23. What is rule of thumb? It's on page number 21. Rule of thumb. Sixth one, explain the principle of unity of command. It's on page number 24. Explain the principle of unity of command, page number 24. Explain Taylor's differential wage rate study. It's on page number 25. Okay. Explain Taylor's differential wage rate study, page number 25. You have seen a time study, motion study, and third one was different wage rate study. So that point will come under this 7th one. Okay. Question number 4, first one. Discuss about importance of principles of management. Page number 19. Okay, discuss about importance of principles of management. Page number 19. Write a short note on modern thoughts. Page number 21. Next one, principles of management are based on human behavior. Explain the statement. Okay, page number 21. Explain behavior related thoughts. Page number 21. Discuss about Peter F. Drucker contribution in management field. Page number 26. Okay. Question 5, first one. Describe the principles of scientific management. Page number 22. Describe in detail about classical thoughts. Page number 20. Describe Henry Ford's principles of management. Page number 24. Describe in detail about the nature. Here you have to add the word. Describe in detail about nature of scientific management. Page number 19. Okay. Let us see the MCQ now. First one, what is principles of management? A is the answer, result of experience. Second one, why need arises to make changes in the principles of management? The answer is C, due to change in technology. Third one, who is the promoter of scientific management? Frederick Taylor is the promoter of scientific management. Which thoughts were presented till the end of 19th century? Classical thoughts were presented till the end of 19th century. Next, Who was the promoter of neoclassical theory? Okay, who was the promoter of neoclassical theory? D is the answer, Alton Mayo. Sixth one, who said that you save your employees will save yours everything? Professor Urvik has given this particular statement. Seventh one, which management gurus given below have contributed in modern thoughts? Okay, C.K. Prahlad has contributed in the modern thought. Eighth one, who had given general principles of management? Henry Foyle has given. C is the answer. Henry Foyle has given the general principles of management. Ninth one, method of removing waste generated from unnecessary movement done in the wrong directions from any work is known as what? Motion study. It's known as motion study. B is the answer. 10th one, who was the founder of Principles of Management by Objective? Frederick Taylor was the founder of Principle of Management by Objective. Who was the founder of Principles of Management of Objective? Okay, wait. Here it will be Peter F. Drucker. Peter F. Drucker. Okay, Peter F. Drucker. A will be the answer, not B. Who was the founder of Principles of Management by Objective? That is MBO. Here it is given C. MBO. That is Management by Objective, given by Peter F. Drucker. So for 10th one, A will be the answer, Peter F. Drucker. 11th one, which activity from the following is possible by implementing labor division? Okay, what will happen if you will divide the work among the workers? Division of work. You will get specialization. B. So which activity from the following is possible by implementation labor division? Specialization. And 12th one, if employee does not get appropriate compensation, then what arises? Then they will leave job and go somewhere else. What that is called? Labor turnover. There will be more labor turnover. So what 12th, A is the answer. Okay, so here I have discussed the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 question answers. Okay, I have discussed them all. Question number 2 over here is really very easy. What is principles of management? Page number 26. What is time study? Page number 27. What is unity of command? Page number 24. What is management thoughts? Page number 20. Which concepts are included in the behavior related thoughts? Page number 27. In modern thoughts, which other subjects are related with management? Page number 21. Okay, so here we have completed with the discussion of chapter 1 and chapter 2 of OC. Okay, now start learning. If you have the textbook, start learning at least question number 4 and question number 5. At least start learning that. Okay, only I am going to discuss this only today. Now you have to try to learn this particular answers. Okay, and now day after tomorrow we will be starting with the second chapter of economics. Okay, we have completed with the 2 chapters of OC, as well as we have completed 1 chapter of economics. Okay, so we will then see chapter number 2 of economics. Okay, enough for today. After seeing chapter number 2 of economics, I will discuss both the chapters together, chapter number 1 as well as chapter number 2. Okay, actually you will get it. They are really very easy to find out the answers, though I will tell you the page number, so it is easy for you all. Thank you.